I believe in America. America has made my fortune. And I raised my daughter in the American fashion. I went to the police like a good American. These two boys were brought to trial. The judge sentenced them to 3 years in prison and suspended the sentence. Suspended the sentence? They went free that very day.
Why didn't you come to see me first?
What do you want of me? Tell me anything, but do what I beg you to do.
What was that? That I cannot do. I don't remember the last time you even invited me to your house for a cup of coffee.
I didn't want to get into trouble.
I understand. You found paradise here in America. You made a good living. There were police and courts of law to protect you. You didn't need a friend like me. But now you come here to my house and you ask me, Chef Steve, give me justice. But you don't ask for it with respect. You don't even think to call me Master Chef.
Let him suffer then, as she suffers. How much shall I pay?
Buonasera. What have I ever done for you to treat me with such disrespect? Now, if you came to me out of friendship, then the scum that stole your daughter's recipes would be sitting in a pot of boiling hot soup this very day. Instead, you come to me with disrespect and ask me to do murder for money. But if you came to me in friendship, then your enemies would become my enemies. My enemies, your friends, my enemies, your friends. You know what, Bonacera? You've got me all compute. You get the hell out of here, Bonacera.
Be my friend?
Yeah, you know what? Get the hell out of here, Bonacera. Get the hell out. Oh, Stugats. Schivoso. Oh, it's Fettuccine. You got me so upset. I gotta watch. I don't want to have another heart attack. Oh. Anyway, I need to calm down. I don't have time to screw around with Bonacera anymore. So, Sonny, get him the hell out of here.
Get out of here.
I gotta calm down. I think the best thing to do at this time is definitely let's start watching that new Chef Steve video. Let's get watching. Video, and in today's video we are going to be creating the fine, extraordinary Italian classic dish of shrimp Alfredo. That's right, shrimp Alfredo, invented by Alfredo Delilio back in Rome around the date of 1908. He started a revolution, and we will continue following his excellence with our own incarnation of shrimp Alfredo. And to add to that, we will start with our base of Alfredo sauce. We will be adding to it our basil, dill, minced garlic, a combo of Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano cheeses, shrimp, of course, spinach. Again, we're going to chop and cut that up, add it to the dish, fettuccine, and butter. Mix it all together, and what have you got? Mwah! Delicioso! It's an easy recipe to get going. Just follow along with the video, and in the end, you will be a very happy eater. So, without further ado, what do you say? Let's get cooking! And And just to recap our ingredients one more time, we got a little bit of Alfredo sauce here as the base. We have dill, we have basil, we have minced garlic, a combo of Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano cheeses, and we have our shrimp cooked, ready to go. We just have to heat that up. We have spinach, we're gonna steam that. We have fettuccine, and of course butter, really more of a butter vegetable oil spray. We're gonna give a number of spritzes of that. First, we're gonna boil our fettuccine. We got our water boiling. Let's break up our fettuccine. I tend to break it up into threes. Into the pot. Into the pot. Into the pot. Let's get this back to a boil. Stir our pasta. Once that's finished, ready to go, we can take that out, and then we're going to get the shrimps in there. While our fettuccine is still boiling, let's get our spinach in. Yes, we're using this Green Giant frozen spinach. And instead, you know what, we're just going to microwave it for about, I'd say, 3 minutes on high should be good. Our fettuccine should be good at this point. You want it to be a little al dente. Okay, here comes our fettuccine. Okay, our spinach is ready. I like to just, mine might be a little damp, a little moist from the microwave a lot of times, so I like to pat it off, absorb the moisture, as you can see. Now we do some chopping. Okay, in with our shrimps. Say about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, our shrimps are looking good. Let's bring them out. Okay, so about 2 or 3 minutes, we should be good on the shrimp. Okay, next we are going to heat up our base sauce here, our base Alfredo sauce. Just give it about 3 minutes. All right. I think we're good. I think we're ready to get this into the saute pan and get this underway. I think it's going to be really good. We're going to add our basil. We're going to add our mixed cheeses. We're going to add our dill, and we're going to add our minced garlic. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be a very quick saute, just to give it that little extra gusto. Let's get in our noodles. Add our sauce. add our cheese. Basil. Dill. Minced garlic. Our shrimps. And our spinach. Flame on. Let's get to mixing. A tinge of crisp. This also gets rid of any of the water that was in there left over from the noodles and from the spinach. So, it's a win-win. Give it a little saute time here. Smelling very good. Smell the cheeses, I smell the garlic. Smell the shrimps. Oh, smelling divine here. See that? I think we are good at this point. And there we are, my friends. Shrimp Alfredo. A very delicious smelling shrimp Alfredo. It's time to judge the pillars of our fine labor. Now it is time for the test of taste. That's right. Ooh. Squisito. I think Senor Delilio would be proud. But let us first confirm we hit the jackpot here. Mmm. Delicioso. Delicioso. That's right. Perfectly flavorful. The garlic is there. Our cheeses are in there. You got the spinach, you got the shrimp, and of course the fettuccine Alfredo. This is a hit. One plate of this will turn anyone in the world into a 150% true paisan. Guaranteed. This is a dish you're gonna love. I can already tell. Another sterling success. And like I always say, when it's a sterling success, magnifico! And there we are, my friend, shrimp Alfredo. the Italiano classic with the gustoso. That's bueno. That's delicioso. And of course, magnifico. It's a relatively easy dish to prepare. There's not too many ingredients involved, but follow along with my video. Follow the steps, and you too can get yourself a dish going like this. It's perfect for yourself, perfect for the family, perfect if you're taking to parties, anywhere you're gonna go. I think this would be a big hit. Naturally, you know, you can substitute items. Some people use broccoli. Broccoli's a popular vegetable to use versus the spinach. I just use the spinach. People might add other ingredients, other seafoods in there. Sometimes you could add mussels, you could add clams, you can add, you know, calamari, you can add whatever you want to it. Of course, always keep shrimp. It's going to be shrimp Alfredo. Anyway, as you see, this isn't a bad dish to make. I think you could do it too. Follow along. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And until our next video, always remember, yes, keep on cooking!
Johnny, I want you to tell this big shot Hollywood producer that we're gonna talk to him and we're gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. But for now, I want you to do your chef a service and take a hike. That's right, take a hike. Yeah, I want to finish my delicious Chef Steve shrimp Alfredo. Oh, it is the best. Abbondanza.